Welcome back. As you can see, something's not right. There is no cylinder. The cylinder leaked right here. Well, there's the same cylinders. Right here, the seals around here, they're plastic seals. After a while, they tend to break, and then they just come out, and the oil just starts coming out. But eventually, yesterday, it got real bad. Steady stream started coming out. So we gotta finish the day, and then took it off. Interesting. We took this pin out, and the bore, the head of the cylinder, slid straight down into that hole. Thank God there's a hole right here. Got some wood, and you gotta push it all the way out. Then you just took it off. It's starting to get repacked. They pretty much pull the rod out of the cylinder and replace all the seals so it won't leak. You got all the hydraulic hoses. The pain, you don't want to hit any. There's one cap. That's the top one. And over here, as you can see, it's all covered in grease and oil, mostly hydraulic oil. And here's the other hose for the lower part, and then the other one's for the top. See right there, there's the top and the bottom one. Right now, that one's solid metal. Yep. Got your trusty safety wood. Keep it from coming down, just in case. I'll get back to when we put it back together. Probably could be today, maybe tomorrow. If not, I'll just upload it as two different parts. Oh yeah, it's a VO50 Global. Person asked that. Keep up the great comments. I like it. It's a VO50. They do make way bigger, up to 75. It's very big. Probably a little too big. Yep, and that's about it. I'll get back to you when we put it together eventually. Come back. Here's the cylinder. It's all nice now. They fix in here. It's all done. They washed it. Now it's all nice and shiny.
What are you in, second? Come out the first. There you go. Come on. Gotta go up. Up now.
I'll be right back.
Like, want me to get you the 3-pounder?
No. Anthony,
Yes.
give me a small, big screwdriver.
Okay.
You think there's two of these in here?
Yeah. One per side. There's 4.
Yeah, well, guess what?
Put it in there.
The same fit.
Are they all the same thickness?
Probably. Why would they be any different?
Well, maybe because one side needed a thinner one.
Give me them other ones. Let me take a look.
You never know.
Give me a small hammer.
They're the same. Hammer, 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 hammer. Small, small, small.
Give me a rag.
Uh-huh.
Got it now. Yeah. Yeah.
What?
Just call me.
You're missing the most. There you go. Now you got the important part.
Yeah.
Oh,
Ah.
your girlfriend just called me.
Who, Lynn?
Lynn Sadowski.
Lynn.
To tell me we didn't get the fucking bid.
Halfway there. One more.
Hold on.
Huh?
Hold on.
Yeah.
Come on down. Roll it. Roll it one.
I only got a little left.
That's all right. Whatever you got, give it to me. More? You got more?
No, that's it.
All right.
Now I gotta go down.
Yeah. Hold it.
Did you break the laws about the leaves?
No.
Huh?
No.
Well, you should have stuck it up behind me. Lynn, how come you didn't... Mike, there's another one up on top.
It's on the ground now. Where'd it go?
It's under the table.
By
Behind the table.
by the shaft.
Good thing I looked at that. There's a fucking plug in there. You can't even see it.
Plug?
They put a little plug and they stuck it inside.
Oh. You mean what they did?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Give me a needle nose pliers, Anthony.
Yep. The big pin's right there on the ladder.
Yeah. Give me the needle nose pliers, Anthony.
Yeah.
Anthony,
Yes.
that was no good.
Oh, I broke that one.
Mike, you want that little pick? You get a little picky thing?
Ah, here we go. Yeah. So what holds it in from the other side? Or is there nothing?
How the fuck did he get that in there?
Wow. Are you kidding?
What?
Good thing you noticed that.
It wouldn't have went in. It
We
would.
would have been banging our heads. Why ain't it working?
Would have went right in there.
Oh, it's not on the thread?
No, it was inside.
Why would they do that?
I don't know.
So what did you submit for a bid?
2,500.
Oh, you were close.
1,400. Real close. We're gonna try it?
Yeah, we're gonna take it outside and then Bobby's gonna wash it.
Ah.
Gonna use our special degreaser stuff and
The secret special stuff?
yep, degrease.
Mm-hmm.
Cha-cha, baby.
It's gotta come out.
How close is she, boss?
It's right there.
Good.
Oh, I gotta look at the other one. See what that's for, Bobby?
It's not a hook, even though it looks like one.
Sorry about that. Oh, buddy, well, I'm thinking about it again. Is this Saturday free? No.
Yeah, we can do it, I guess.
Why? What's wrong?
He wants his wood stove. I don't know why. He paid for it. He wants it.
How much you think to install it?
At $2,500.
You son of a gun. 21 with, that's parts and everything. But this guy's certified.
Yep.
He was a tech. You gotta go above my gutter. Dee-da-da. The inspector comes over and says, nope, that's not right. I said, now we gotta do it all over again, or it's gonna cost more money. So I said, you know what? This guy's certified. He's done hundreds of them. And
That much just to put it in.
yeah. No, that's actually, he said it's 800 labor.
Oh, parts.
Parts. He's got to buy galvanized pipe, double wall for outside. He knows what he's doing. So let him fucking do it. What are you looking for, buddy?
They're on the table.
All right.
Oh.
Let me get off this thing.
No, you just sit tight in case you gotta move. And you gotta climb back up there.
This is going to be a very long video.
Well, delete some of your shit video.
I already did. Don't worry, I got enough space.
You there, buddy, huh? Yeah.
I fucking amaze myself every day.
Yeah. Put that shaft in there, mama.
Now there's nothing on the other side?
What other side?
Behind, there's no like pin for over here. For over there. Over there.
No.
No?
Just got.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah, mama.
Oh, the light's fucking up. I'm halfway in, halfway out.
But you're not talking in this.
I know.
Okay, buddy.
Let her all the way
Let
down.
her down. No,
Eh.
just no so I can release the chain.
No.
All done.
Back it up.